Hi, I'm Christina and welcome to Yoga with Christina, ChriskaYoga. Today will be the first video in a series of yoga sequences that I put together for the chakras. If you're not familiar with the chakras, they are the centers and wheels of energy throughout the body. There are 7 of them. I'll be doing 7 videos in this series, 1 for each chakra. During each video, we'll be doing yoga poses that are meant to balance that chakra. Today's video will be talking about the root chakra, or the base, or the foundation. This is located in your pelvic floor area.
To learn more in depth about each chakra, where they're located, and the things that it governs within your body, you can check out my new book that is coming out on February 11th, 2020. It's called Essential Chakra Yoga. It is all about how to balance, heal, and energize the body and mind through the chakras and through yoga specifically designed for each chakra. It includes sequences and poses that are designed to balance and heal your body, and it's a great demystifying guide to the chakras and how to use them to your benefit. So I hope you check it out. The link to pre-order is in the description box below this video.
So I hope you enjoyed this one. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming yoga classes. So if you're ready, grab your yoga mat and let's get started.
Come to a seated position on the ground, sitting in Siddhasana with your heels aligned with one another, your knees out to the side. Sitting up tall, bring your hands to your legs, close your eyes, and deepen your breath. Breathing deeply through the nose, focus your attention on your inhales and your exhales. Feel your spine rooting into the ground and your pelvic bones rooting into the ground, sits bones. And rebound that energy upward from the ground all the way up your back, up your spine, throughout the top of your head. On your next exhale, slowly come to a forward fold, walking your hands forward, reaching them out in front of you, looking down. Come up out of your forward fold, come to hands and knees. And then we'll take a low lunge, bringing your right leg forward, aligning your knee on top of your ankle. Your left knee is on the ground, hands are down, framing the front foot, looking down. On an exhale, shift your weight back into a runner's stretch, a runner's hamstring stretch, straightening the right leg, flexing the right foot. From here, shift back into the lunge and then move your leg, your right foot over to the left and drop down onto the outer edge of your right leg, keeping the knee bent. Coming into pigeon pose, the left leg is on the floor behind you. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold. Stack your hands on top of one another and rest your forehead on your hands or reach your arms out in front of you. Slowly come up, tuck your left toe, press into the ground with both hands, and bring your right leg back underneath your body. Take that whole sequence on the left, bringing the left leg forward into low lunge, holding here with your right knee on the ground. Hands are down, framing the left foot. And on the next exhale, shift your weight back onto the right knee, straightening the left leg, flexing left foot into a runner stretch, a hamstring stretch on the left side. Shift your weight forward, coming into pigeon pose on the left, bending the left leg, dropping down onto the outer edge of the left leg. Keep the top of the right leg on the ground behind you. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward fold. Stack your hands on top of one another, resting your forehead on your hands, or rest your forehead on the ground, reaching your arms out in front of you. Slowly come up, come out of your pigeon pose gently, and come to lying on your back. From here, we'll take a supine bound angle pose, Supta Baddha Konasana, bringing your feet together, your knees out to the side. Rest your hands on your lower abdominals. Close your eyes, deepen your breath, coming inward, focusing on your inhales and your exhales, and hold here. Bring some gentle motion back into your body, bringing your legs in towards each other and roll onto the right side. Resting on your right side with your arm underneath your head for support. Press yourself up, coming to a seated cross-legged position, crossing your shins, flex your feet under your knees, bring your hands to your legs, sit up tall, close your eyes, deepen your breath. Once again, feel your sits bones rooting into the ground and rebounding up through your spine and out through the top of your head. Take one more deep breath in and out through your nose. Bring your hands to meet at the center of your chest. Bow your head to your fingertips. Namaste.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this class. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Give me any questions you might have. I always love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new yoga videos coming up. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram at ChriskaYoga and my website ChriskaYoga.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.